Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Had to get a new inkjet printer, multifunction printer, because my old one, well, it died, and then I brought it back to life by replacing the print head, but then come to find out it will not run with my new Windows 11 desktop. So I got this one, which is functionally, I would say about the equivalent, price-wise about the equivalent, but it'll run Windows 11. And so let's take it out of the box and set it up. It has to fit in that spot in my office, and I think it will. And clean up some of those papers while I'm at it. And I removed some of the old wiring that went back a couple of decades. So we've got power, we've got a data connection, although this is Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so I don't even know if I need this data connection. We've got a telephone connection so we can fax, and power. We got power there, so that's about it. Okay, so we removed orange tape in a couple of places, and I loaded some paper in there. There's a little, you expand the little guides and lift this tray off here, and the paper tucks underneath there. There, I guess it goes in that far. I plug it in. It looks like I'll need a little bit longer telephone line to go from this to wherever my phone connection is over there, so that's okay. I think I've got plenty of other longer phone lines. So let's see what's next. Press the on button and we'll go through some selections here. I don't know if this is a touch screen. Let me look. Okay, you have to tilt this control panel, tilt it like that, so that the touch screen activates. So we're going to set English, United States, protected material. We already did that. Well, there you go. I left one orange tape on there, and it's smart enough to tell me that. So let's pull that out. Okay, it now moves forward after I remove that third piece of orange tape. We haven't put any ink in there yet. Okay, we've got all the new ink cartridges in there, very similar to what you're used to. They show up on this display, this touch screen, as you put them in. Okay. Oh, they tell you genuine Canon inkjets. I hope this thing doesn't have some kind of a lock on it so that you cannot use aftermarket, because the Canon ones usually cost 4 or 5 times the price of the aftermarket. And in my opinion, the aftermarket works pretty decently. Start alignment. Okay, I've got some paper in there. Load a sheet of paper. I already did that. Okay, this is going to run in alignment, which is similar to my old one, actually. This one seems to run a little bit quieter with all the, the print head is shifting around left and right. So you can hear it. It's a little bit quieter. Okay, it's printing out a sheet that I'm going to put on the platen, and then it'll do the alignment. I hope it's not just going to fall on the ground. I'll have to see if there's some kind of a tray that slides out there. I don't know yet. Okay, so it did fall out. I picked it up, put it on the platen, And now it's doing the additional alignment steps. I don't know if you can see, a little hard to video this screen here. It says successful, send anonymous usage information. I guess so. Yeah. So I didn't want to send them information. Ready to copy. Continue setup by referring to the manual. So now we have to pair it or over the local area network, connect it. So just to put a period on this, I did get it installed. I had to go to each device, which is my old computer, my new computer, and the phone that I'm filming with right now. And on each device, I go to in Canon install, or I think it's IJ period Canon install. It'll tell you when you open up the box and when you run the device. And I followed those installs and got them all to see each other on my wireless network and printed out samples of each one of them. And I like Canon inkjet printers. That's just my personal. So I'll put a link to this one if you think you'd like one like this. And then if you have any questions, you could post them on my video and I'll try and help you out. Okay? See you later. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.